Okay, so now let's start going into the installing the server, the server. So as you can see, if you get the command minus help, you can check the that we need to do specify first the config. So config and then the server config. Okay, and then we need to specify that we are using a Debian, and then we want to do the server part. Let's do this. So this will generate, by the way, the package, which is the Velociraptor server package, this one. And now we need to install it. So apt install, and we can do user one adr, and then yep. So we can do that now. I think that's because I have this open. Let's close it. Let me make sure there is no update manager working. I think that's why. Just gonna stop these, by the way, because these are probably the ones causing the issues. Could not log. It's held by process 689. Okay, so let's just kill that. Sudo kill -9. I mean, kill the process, definitely. So no such thing. Okay, now we should be able to. Okay, good. So now it's installing the server, the Velociraptor server, and it's gonna be creating it as a service, by the way. So the new method seems to be creating it as a service, and we can see now sudo systemctl status and Velociraptor service, so we can see if it's working, and it is working. Let's also check, by the way, the network status. So let's start -plant. We should be able to see Velociraptor. So let's do grep Velociraptor. So you can see the ports are actually running and everything is all good. Now we already generated the configuration file for the client. All we need to do, ship it to the client, and then from over there deploy it on the client side. So that's it for this video. Let's move on with the next one.